Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious sauerkraut salad. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect result. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of well-drained sauerkraut, 1/2 cup each of finely chopped onion and bell pepper, and a few other simple items to create a vibrant, flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal. Now, let's combine our main components to build the salad's foundation. Take your well-drained sauerkraut and add the finely chopped red onion and bell pepper to a large mixing bowl. Gently toss these ingredients together, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the bowl. This careful mixing creates a perfect, balanced base for the delicious dressing we'll be adding next. The dressing is simple yet impactful. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Pour this flavorful dressing directly over your sauerkraut and vegetable mixture, coating everything evenly. Almost done. Gently toss the salad again to ensure every piece is coated with the dressing. Now, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped dill. It adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. For best results, refrigerate your sauerkraut salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this easy and refreshing dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.